Chhattisgarh Rent Control Act, 2011. Short notes for Chhattisgarh Judiciary. General Information Act No. 19 of 2012. Enactment date, the 6th of November 2012. Enforcement date, the 14th of January 2016. Preamble, adjudicate rent matters via tribunal, balance landlord-tenant interests. Repealed Act, Chhattisgarh Accommodation Control Act, 1961, No. 41 of 1961. Structure. Sections 14, including Section 13A. Schedules, Schedule 1, Tenants' Rights Schedule 2, Landlords' Rights Schedule 3, Landlords' Obligations Schedule 4, Tenants' Obligations. Chapter I, Preliminary Section 1, Short Title, Extent and Commencement Title, Chhattisgarh Rent Control Act, 2011. Extent. Initially municipal areas at district headquarters, extendable by state government notification. Commencement, the 6th of November 2012. Section 2, Definitions. Accommodation, building, part, residential, non-residential, includes open spaces, staircases, grounds, gardens, garages, amenities, excludes agricultural land. Agreement, written tenancy agreement between landlord and tenant. Habitual defaulter, tenant failing to pay rent, dues on time 3 jour times in 12 months. Landlord, person entitled to receive rent, includes trustees, guardians, receivers. Municipal area, defined under Chhattisgarh Municipal Corporation Act, 1956, or Municipalities Act, 1961. Rent, consideration paid by tenant, excludes amenity charges. Rent controller, officer appointed under Section 7, 1. Rent Control Tribunal, body under Section 6, 1. Social nuisance, acts like drunken brawls, prostitution, Schedule 4, Serial Number 10. Tenant, or person paying, liable for rent or post-death, surviving spouse, son, daughter, mother, father, residing for residential, business for commercial. Section 3, Exemptions non-applicable, government-owned accommodations, departments, boards, corporations, buildings, categories exempted by state government notification. Chapter 2, Tenancy and Rent. Section 4, Tenancy Agreement. Mandatory Written Agreement, overrides Section 107, Transfer of Property Act, 1882. Pre-existing tenancies, file existing written agreements with rent controller. Without written agreement, jointly create and file one. Proviso, if joint filing fails, parties file particulars separately. Format, prescribed format, manner, timeline. Chapter 2, Tenancy and Rent. Section 4, Tenancy Agreement. Mandatory Written Agreement, overrides Section 107, Transfer of Property Act, 1882. Pre-existing tenancies, file existing written agreements with rent controller. Without written agreement, jointly create and file one. Proviso, if joint filing fails, parties file particulars separately. Format, prescribed format, manner, timeline. Section 5, Rent to be as agreed. Rent amount, agreed by landlord and tenant, excludes amenity charges. Payment deadline, due by 15th of following month unless otherwise agreed. Chapter 3, Authorities. Section 6, Constitution of the Rent Control Tribunal. Establishment, within 30 days, per Article 323b, for rent, tenancy disputes. Explanation, property transfer, title disputes under regular courts. Chairman, retired High Court judge or serving, retired district judge, super time scale. Members, appointed with prescribed qualifications. Registrar, minimum civil judge class I or deputy secretary. Jurisdiction, excludes all courts except Supreme Court, Article 136, High Courts, Articles 226, 227, upon functionality. Proviso, pending cases under old Act continue. Headquarters, Raipur, additional locations as notified. Service terms, prescribed by state government. Section 7, Establishment of Rent Controller. Appointment, 1 jour officers, minimum deputy collector, per district, jurisdiction set by district collector. Subordination, reports to tribunal. Section 8, Powers and functions of Rent Control Tribunal. Powers, ensure rent controllers, functioning. Appellate authority for rent controller orders. Explanation, High Court-like powers under repealed Act. Contempt, punish as High Court. Section 9, Powers and functions of rent controller. Responsibilities, reconcile landlord-tenant disputes. Secure rights, enforce obligations. Timeline, conclude within 6 months from respondent's appearance, ex parte order. Section 10. Procedure not bound by Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, follows Natural Justice Act rules. Civil court-like powers: summon, examine on oath, document production, review decisions, issue commissions, dismiss, decide ex parte, set aside default, ex parte orders, add legal representatives, adjournment, requires written application, recorded reasons. Judicial proceedings, deemed judicial under BNS, rent controller deemed civil court under Code of BNSS. Main profits, if tenant fails to vacate within 3 months, residential, 2x rent. Commercial, immediate possession, 3x rent. Timeline, execution within 45 days from notice. Explanation, appeals don't waive main profits unless ordered otherwise. Section 12, Rights and Obligations. Tenants' rights, per Schedule 1, secured by tribunal, rent controller. Landlord's rights, per Schedule 2, secured by tribunal, rent controller. Proviso, rent disputes favor tenant. Possession disputes favor landlord. Landlord's obligations, per Schedule 3, enforced by authorities. Tenant's obligations, per Schedule 4, enforced by authorities. Offences, undermining rights, neglecting obligations, punishable by fine up to 5,000 rupees, imprisonment up to 3 months, or both. Schedule 1. Tenants' rights: 1. Receive tenancy agreement copy. 2. Receive payment receipts, security deposit, rent. 3. Receive tenantable accommodation. 4. Quiet possession, subject to rent payment, agreed use. Functional facilities, amenities. 6. Annual upkeep by landlord or reimbursement, up to 1 month's rent. 7. No willful cutoff of essential supplies. 8. Security of tenancy, subject to landlord's rights. Schedule 2. Landlord's rights: 1. Security of title over accommodation. 2. Demand security deposit, up to 3 months' rent. 3. Receive rent on time per agreement. 4. Annual rent increment, 5% for 2,000 rupees, 10% otherwise. 5. Receive increased utility costs. 6. Inspect during daytime with tenant's consent. 7. Add, improve accommodation without rent increase. 8. Annual upkeep or reimburse tenant, up to 1 month's rent. 9. Seek rent, security deposit revision from rent controller. 10. Seek compensation for tenant caused damages. 11. Seek eviction for default, damage, misuse, nuisance, conviction, renovation, or personal, family use. 12. Receive accommodation in original condition, allowing where. Schedule 3. Landlord's obligations: 1. Execute notarized tenancy agreement. 2. File tenant information with local police within 7 days. 3. Provide receipts for all payments. 4. Allow tenant quiet enjoyment and Schedule 1 rights. 5. Maintain accommodation in tenantable condition. 6. Dovetail garbage disposal to civic system. Explain to tenant. 7. Promptly address major structural repairs. 8. Provide separate electricity meter where allowed. 9. Never willfully cut essential supplies, water, electricity. 10. No inspection without tenant, male family member consent. 11. Undertake annual upkeep or reimburse tenant, up to 1 month's rent. 12. Avoid extrajudicial eviction methods. 13. Refund security deposit before tenancy closure. Schedule 4. Tenants' obligations: 1. Acknowledge landlord's title. Respect Schedule 2 rights. 2. Use accommodation only for agreed purpose. 3. Never sublet any portion. 4. Protect accommodation and fixtures. 5. Handle minor repairs, replacements without reimbursement. 6. Keep accommodation clean. Avoid pollution, air, water, noise. 7. Dispose garbage per municipal system. Avoid littering. 8. Pay security deposit, rent, dues regularly. 9. Compensate landlord for damages, except natural wear. 10. Avoid social nuisance, ague, drunken brawls, prostitution, noise. Thanks for watching. PDF available on request. Just like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.